the homework help. All right, Math 8, this is our homework help video for Tuesday. Baseball says scatterplot shows the average price of a Major League Baseball ticket from 1997 to 1996. Okay, so use these points to write the slope-intercept form. So the first thing we do is find M, then find B, then substitute M and B into the slope-intercept form. So let's find M first. The formula for M is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Please write it. So now we got the 2 points. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. And we're going to substitute the points into the formula. Y2 is 18.75. So we got 18.75 on the top minus 17.6 or 60. On the bottom, it's going to be x2, which is 2002, minus the 2001. So let's use our calculator to subtract those values. Okay, so we have 18.75 minus the 17.60. And what does that give you on the top? What does that give you? Type it in and see. Come on, y'all. What does that give you? It's 1.15 on the top. On the bottom, what's 2002 minus 2001? 1. So M here, the slope, is 1.15. So now we need to find B. So now we're going to find the starting. The starting amount is going to be, what is the starting amount? The year, it started from 1990, the ticket from 1997 to 1996. All right, so let's find B. Let's substitute. We got y equals mx plus b, and we're going to plug in this for m. Let's choose an easy point. Which one of these points do you want to choose? The first one or the second one? Let's choose the first one. So let's substitute y is 17.60. M is 1.15 x, sorry. Oh, what is x? Sorry. X is going to be 2001 plus B. So let's multiply these two numbers together. 1.15 times 2001. What does that give you? What does that give you? Let me write it over here. This is going to be 117, sorry. 17.660 is equal to, when you multiply it together, you get this. Gosh, I need to find some space. Let's see, this is not enough space. I was trying to find space, but I couldn't find it. Come on, let's see if I can use this. 17.60 is equal to 2301.15 plus B. All right, so now to get B by itself, we're going to subtract this on both sides. This is gone, and we're left with B. So type that in. 17.60 minus 2,301.15. That's going to be a negative what? It's a negative what? Come on, subtract. Demarian typed this in. 17.60 minus 2,301.15. Subtract this. It's going to give you a negative something. I'll pause. I'm going to wait for y'all to subtract it. Thank you, sir. Negative 2,283.55. This is B. This is B, and this is M. So the equation is going to be y is equal to 1.15x minus 2,283.55. This is the equation. Okay. So now let's use the equation to tell what is the ticket price in 2009. So we're going to substitute 2009 in for X. X is equal to 2009. Since we use the actual year in the equation, which we kind of didn't have to do, but that's okay, we did it. So let's substitute 2009 into the equation. Y is equal to 1.15x, 2009, times 2009 minus 2283.55. So let's see what this is. Let's type that in. So we got, clear it. Type this in, Tamir. 1.115 times the year 2009 minus 2283.55. And what does that give you? No, y'all get something different? 26.8. So it's going to be 26.8. Okay? $26.80. All right, so now let's do this. Draw the scatter plot. So you got to graph these points here. So in 2001, this is 2001 here. You're going to go to 39. So 2001, 39 is right here. 2002 is 28. 2002 is right here. And 28, this is 20. 28 is close to 30. And check it off. 2003 and 20, this is 2003. And go up to 20. This is 20. Check this off. I did that one. 2004 and 16. 2004 and 16 is 15 is in the middle. 16 is a little above the middle. 2005 and 18. Go over to 2005 and 18. 20 is here. 18 is a little right in here somewhere. The points on an average are going down, so this has a negative relationship. What is the relationship that exists? This is a negative correlation. For the most part, as X increases, the year is always going to increase. You read it from left to right. The cases are decreasing. This has a negative correlation. All right, so now we're going to write the slope-intercept form for the line of best fit. Okay, so let's type in. Let's go to the calculator and let's type this in. We got second, enter. And now we're going to type the ordered pairs in here. For some people that forgot, we go to stat. We press enter on edit. So press stat and then press enter right there on edit. We're going to put our X values in L1 and our Y values in L2. So your X values, you got 2001, 2002, 3, and 4. So 2001, then press enter. Go down to the next line. Then 2002, press enter. Go to the next line. 2003, press enter. 2004, press enter. 2005, press enter. Go over. Beside 2001 is going to be 39. Beside 2002 is 28. Beside 2003 is 20. Beside 2004 is 16. And beside 2005 is 18. Got it? Marian, are you typing the numbers in? Or are you just playing with the calculator? Do you have the numbers typed in? Okay, let me pause. I need you to type the numbers in. All right, so after you type the numbers in, once you type those in, you're going to press stat. Press the stat button, babe. And now you're going to press the arrow over button to calculate. And now you want the line of best fit, so you're going to press number 4. And then enter. And this is going to be the equation. The A is the slope, and the B is the y-intercept. So you got You got y is equal to the slope, which is negative 5.4x plus that 1,840.4. This is the slope intercept form. You're going to draw the line of best fit. Okay, so you're going to start, we're just going to put a line that goes down through the center. It's okay. Ooh, no, it needs to be in the center, doesn't it? Miss Reyes, that's not the center. Let's draw it through these 2 points. I should have just use 2 points and called it a day. I could have did that. Okay. All right, let's do this one right here. Graph the points. So we got 12 and 47. Go over to 12. Go up to 47. That's close to 50 right in there. Okay, did that one. 25 and 50. Go over to 25. Then go up to 50. 15 and 40. 15, 40. 8 and 20. 8 is here. 20. 35 and 70. This is 35 and 70. 40 and 77. This is 40 and 77. 41 and 61. This is 41. And then 61. 61 is here. And then 20 and 54. Go over to 20 right here. And then 54. This is 50. 55 is in the center, so a little above the center. Below the center, sorry. Okay. So these are your points. What kind of correlation is that? Positive, negative, or no correlation? It's positive. So it says what relationship? This is a positive correlation. Okay. Now we're going to draw a line of best fit. So we're going to do it the easy way this time. We're going to pick 2 points and draw a line through it. So I think that the line should go in the middle right here. So I'm going to choose these 2 points because both points are kind of in the middle. Oh, gosh, I don't know what's wrong with me and my drawing skills. So these 2 points right here on the end, one of them is 40 and 77, and the other is, what's the other one? No, that's 40 and, this is way up here. 40, yeah, 40 and 77, that's right. And this other point right here is 35 and 70. Okay. So we're gonna do we're gonna use the calculator to draw the line of best fit. So look, we're going to go stat, edit, clear out. How do you clear those out so fast, Miss Reyes? Go all the way up to the top and press clear and then enter. Go over all the way to the top, press clear and then enter. And now let's just type in these 2 points instead of all the points like we did before. So let's do 40. Oops, Miss Reyes. What did you do? Oh, clear. Let's type in 40 here, and the other x value is 35. Did I type in 40? Nope, I typed in 10 by accident. All right, beside 40 should be 77, and beside 35 should be 7. So now let's just draw a line for that. I'm not going to do all the points. I'm just going to do those 2. Let's go stat, calc. Number 4 is lean reg. Enter. So this is my equation. Y is equal to, A is my slope, 1.4 plus the 21. So we got Y is equal to 1.4x plus 21. This is my, okay. Now we're going to make a prediction. Let's predict the maximum longevity for an animal with an average of 33 years. Okay, so let's do 33 years. Go to 33, type in 33, put 33 in there. So we got Y is equal to 1.4 times 33 years plus 21 and see what the total is going to be. Okay, so we got 1.4 times 33 plus 21, and that's 67.2. Now, can I see that in the graph? The years is 33. 33 is at the bottom. This is 33 right in here. And if I go to the line, this is a line right in here. Yes, this is 67 in here. Okay, so I can see it. So that makes it interpolate because the information is in the graph. You can see the information. So you can use the graph to find the answer. So it's interpolate. If it's extrapolate, you cannot, the number is not on the graph. You cannot see the answer in the graph. So it's interpolate because the answer can be found in the graph. Can be found by using the graph. Okay, you can go to 33 and go up to the line and you can estimate. If they asked you for a year that's not here, like they asked you for 50 years, that's extrapolate. We can still find the answer because we can substitute 55 or 50 years and get an answer. But it's an extrapolate if they say 50 years because 50 years is not in the graph. So interpolate means that you can use the graph to find the answer. Extrapolate means that you cannot use the graph to find the answer. You can use the equation for any of it, but you just can't use the graph if it's extrapolate. So this is going to be an interpolate because you can find 33 and go up to the line to see that it's between 60 and 70. Okay? All right, that's it, y'all. Any questions? Go ahead and put your